Ever grappled with the challenge of note-taking in medical school? With the fast-paced lectures, complex terminologies, and the sheer volume of information, it can truly be a daunting task. But fret not, for today, we're delving into 5 fundamental strategies to elevate your note-taking game in medical school. Firstly, preparation is key. Before each class, make it a habit to familiarize yourself with the topics that will be covered. This preliminary groundwork will arm you with the ability to identify key concepts and structure your notes more effectively. Think of it as laying the foundation for your academic house. A strong base will ensure the rest of the structure stands firm. Secondly, consider trying out the Cornell Method. This involves dividing your page into 3 sections. In one section, jot down the key questions. In another, write your in-class notes. And finally, at the end, draft a brief summary. This method not only streamlines your revision process, but also aids in the retention of information. It's like having a mini study guide that you've created for yourself. Thirdly, consistency is your ally. Use consistent symbols and abbreviations in your notes. This will not only save you time, but also ensure you can keep pace with the explanations without missing out on important details. It's akin to creating your own shorthand, a secret language that aids in your understanding and recall. Fourthly, make daily revision of your notes a ritual. Organize them while the information is still fresh in your mind. This not only reinforces learning, but also facilitates studying for future assessments. Think of it as watering a plant daily, ensuring it grows strong and healthy. Finally, mastery of these techniques will prepare you better to capture crucial information in your classes. It's like equipping yourself with a sturdy net, ready to catch the knowledge that's tossed your way. To wrap up, we've explored 5 strategies to improve note-taking in medical school. Preparing before each class, using the Cornell Method, employing consistent symbols and abbreviations, revising notes daily, and mastering these techniques. Remember, effective note-taking is not just about jotting down what you hear. It's about understanding, organizing, and retaining the information. It's about turning the tide in your favor in the sea of medical education. Good luck and happy studying.